Tiri kaunti ma Kericho, kama kaunti ma Kericho oyango gik lony manyasani mag rito nyithindo matindo. Chendono migeno ni biro bero kendo reso ngima e ute thieth mago mag kaunti no. Koloso e kinde ya wayanga gik thieth mag lony manyasani e osiptal maduong' ma Kericho. Gavana ma Kericho Eric Mutai okoni chendono en ranyisi kaka kaunti no oseikore mar arita ne ngima. Neno ni nitiere arita maber ne dhano kod bero chendo mag thieth ne nyithindo matindo. Mutai ne olero ni gik thieth nitiere kod teko mar luwo den nyathi e kinde mowinjore gino makonyo jolony mag thieth fwenyo mapiyo ranyisi mag tuo kendo chako thieth mapiyo.
Today, through the introduction of neocat technology, we are decisively tilting that balance in favor of life. These devices enable continuous real-time monitoring of vital signs, empowering our healthcare workers with early warning systems that allow swift and precise medical response. Early detection leads to timely intervention, and timely intervention saves lives.
We have developed the NeoGuard system that we are so proud and honored to launch here alongside His Excellency. We started Neopenda now 10 years ago when we realized that equipment isn't designed for our communities here. Equipment ends up in the graveyard. Power instability makes our devices that traditionally work elsewhere render useless here. So we started Neopenda to fix that.
So we are very, very excited. We have a device called NeoGuard that helps to monitor the pulse rate, the respiratory rate, the temperature, and oxygenation. And this is a very, very exciting development because through these gadgets that are placed on the forehead of the babies are used to monitor those vital signs. And the vital signs are connected to a tablet. So one tablet is able to, we are able to use these gadgets together with a tablet to monitor 15 babies.
Kapodwa ne kaunti ma Kericho, eni joriembo mago mag boda boda he kaunti ma Kericho ochoro nyime tarik mar yiero jakom